Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from your Trezor wallet and transfer it to your Ledger Nano X. With crypto security evolving rapidly in 2025, knowing how to move your assets between hardware wallets is essential for staying safe and in control. Whether you're diversifying your storage or just switching devices, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, make sure both your Trezor Wallet and Ledger Nano X are fully set up, updated to the latest firmware, and connected to your computer or mobile device. This ensures compatibility and minimizes risks. Always prioritize security in the crypto world. Step 1. Open the Trezor suite on your computer and connect your Trezor device. Once it's recognized, launch the Litecoin app on the Trezor. If it's not installed, you can add it quickly from the App Store within the suite. Step 2. In the Litecoin app, select your wallet address and navigate to the Send or Withdraw option. Here, you'll enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Double-check this amount to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. Connect it to your device and open the Ledger Live app. Go to the Accounts section, select Litecoin, and generate a receiving address. Copy this address carefully. It's your destination for the transfer. Step 4. Back on your Trezor, paste the Ledger Nano X address into the recipient field. Add any necessary transaction details, like network fees, which might be higher in 2025 due to increased demand. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction on your Trezor device. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official site. When it shows as confirmed, check your Ledger Nano X balance to ensure the Litecoin has arrived. And there you have it, your Litecoin is now safely in your Ledger Nano X. Remember, always verify addresses and use official apps to protect against scams. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.